Hello, everybody. I told y'all that the cravings that you guys may have if y'all watched my YouTube short, most likely is your ancestors wanting these different things. Especially when they're out of the blue, you're not into this stuff, you know? And sometimes different types of ancestors want different things. And they have really been getting me to want to buy this ice machine. They want me to put crushed ice on their altar. So what did I do? I went and bought a ice machine, and that's what I'm going to share with you guys today. How it's made, all that stuff. Um, this is the one I got for them. So I already got some ice kind of like queued up in the freezer. So let me go get that. Y'all, I had already been eating on it. When I say it tastes just like eating snow, it is amazing. I got my bowl and my scooper, and I'm going to rinse this out. So for now, I'm going to put my ice maker, my crushed ice maker, over to the side along with this. I got this. I thought it was so cool, you guys. Let me pull this up just a little so you guys can see. You see it? They got it where it come out in balls. I thought that was so cool. And I wanted an ice tray that actually had a top to it. And that's what I like. I wanted a top. And I got it from Amazon. And it comes with 2 trays. And I thought that was so cool. And it comes with this really good Tupperware. And when I say this is like hard plastic, it is hard plastic. Plus, I told you guys I wanted a top too with the stuff. And it came with it. So I'm into that. These is the ice cubes we're going to actually use today in the my ice machine that my ancestors encouraged me to get and to place some of this stuff on the altar. They didn't just want water. They actually wanted me to get them some crushed ice. Maybe one of my female ancestors is reminiscing on, you know, when she had her children and things like that. Maybe a lot of the feminine ancestors is going through something and they want to be appeased and they're reminiscing and things like that. So that's what I'm going to do to honor them by placing this. And we know everybody, when you tap into your childhood and things like that, you remember opening your mouth and wanting the snowdrops to kind of like touch your tongue and things like that. And when I did this and put it in here, it tastes just like snow, you guys. No joke. So right now I'm just going to prep it for me for tomorrow, just in case they give me the inclination that they want some or want me to share it with them. So let's just put some of this. We're going to break this up. right. And I'm going to take one and show you guys. See? They come just like little balls. I thought that was so neat. Let me turn it over this way. All right. Get those out of there. Yes, I love this. Look, you guys, it is so neat. Sometimes my ancestors act so extra. They be wanting me to spoil them, and I do. So, I'm going to take this, put the top on it, and they'll be able to have this when I make, when I use the ice machine, you know, the next time. Place this in my freezer. And what you do with this is you take this out, because I'm going to use this as the crusher. And I'm place this here. And then inside is where you place the ice cubes. We're going to place some of those ice cubes, and we're going to get to churning. All right. So let me get a couple of these out of here. Place it right in there. Place that one. I don't want it to pop out. Place that. Ancestors always let you know if they like something. Pay attention to some of the synchronicities that might be around you when they talking. They let you know through different avenues what's going on with you. We know that right now we're living in this matrix thing, and they do what they can to kind of communicate with us, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to use this. I hope I don't have too much, because I put a nice amount in there. And I'm going to get my cup. I think this one's going to be a little small. I know I'm not going to need to drink all of that, but I'm going to use the big one. That's for me. And because I'm going to have some with them, and I'm going to put it on the altar. And this one is for them. This is theirs. So I'm going to sit it to the side, sit the cups to the side. And we're going to get to churning. And it works like this. And as you churn, it goes down. Y'all can see it, can't see it? Let me bring this back some. And the place I got it from has, they have replaceable blades. I thought that was awesome. And as you see, you'll be able to watch this go down. And the device is called Mamba, and M-A-N-B-A. I got it off of Amazon. Give your butt a workout with it. So it's very inexpensive. Like if you can't afford an ice machine that might cost $80, $100 and some dollars, this one I got on sale for $20, you guys. And you see that ice. You gotta do a little bit of work for us churning, but it is worth it. Move that over. And we see how that was going down. I think we done here. Let me put this to the side. Y'all see it? Wow. Yes. And I love how easy everything opens. I mean, it is extremely easy. You guys, there, look. See, those are the blades. Those are the pieces of the blades. Get that off of there. Got to be careful with that part. Okay, let me place that here. Look at that. Let me go get a spoon, you guys. Give some to my ancestors and place it right on their altar. And give some to myself. Side by side. And there you go, you guys. There you go. Y'all already placed my ancestors on their altar. You know, and I'm finna eat mine. Yo. It tastes just like snow. Just like snow. It is awesome. Awesome.